Alright, in this video we'll be talking about the home page. Now, we are currently on the home page in a course. And what's interesting about this particular home page is that if I go to modules, it looks the same as the home page. And there's a reason for that. That's because when we're on the home page, you'll notice we have these options over here, and if we choose home page, we can choose what we want on the landing page or home page for our students. So we could have what's called a course activity stream, right, where they see kind of what announcements are recent, assignment notifications, and if there are any discussion boards that are due. We could also choose course modules as the home page. Obviously, if we're going to choose course modules as the home page, we would probably want to hide the modules tab from the students. This is convenient and nice for students so that when they arrive in the class, they see exactly the very start, what they need to start with, and a progression all the way down till the end of the class. So that's convenient, or a convenient option. Another thing is assignments list. Right, so they can see a list of assignments or quizzes or tests in the course. The problem with this is that it's hard to get it all in a sequential order, especially if you have it divided up into weighted grades. Another option for the home page is Syllabus. Again, kind of nice. Students get a snapshot of everything going on in the course. There isn't a syllabus in this class. But the one thing that I'm really interested in is a page. Right? So how do I turn a page into a home page? Well, let's take a look. If we navigate over to the Pages option here, we have a list of different pages that have been created for the class. You'll notice that I created a page titled Home Page. That's the actual page that I want students to see when they show up in my class. It's got a nice image, a nice title, and a basic description of the class or an introduction. Right? So how do I make this a home page? Well, if I go back over here to all pages, you'll notice to the far right I have 3 dots. This is kind of your right click. It tells you what options you have for this element. So I can use that particular page as a front page. I'm going to do that. Now it's been set as a front page. Now if I go to the Home tab, or the Home button, I'll notice, oops, I still have this other thing selected. I'm going to go over here to the button that says Choose Home Page. Now I can select Pages Front Page. So basically, of all of the pages that I've created for the course, I would like to make the front page the home page for the course. It gets a little wordy. Well, let's do that anyway. Okay. So now I chose one of my pages that was designated as a front page or home page, and I selected it. It is now on the home page, the home button for the course. So now when students show up, they see a nice image, nice title, a basic introduction to the class. It looks like a warm, inviting place for students to show up. They could then quickly go to the content for their course, which is mostly in modules. Okay, so that is how to choose your home page and the different options that you can select for your home page. Just remember that if you want a page, one of your pages, you have to go into the Pages area and designate a front page for it to show up here. Alright, and that's it for now. And go ahead and make yourself a home page by doing as we did in this video.